In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Forms you filled out and submitted. If you've ever needed to revisit a form you submitted, whether to confirm your responses or for any other reason, you'll find this guide particularly useful. This process will only take a few minutes of your time, and by the end you'll have all the information you need at your fingertips. To begin, we'll start by heading over to Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that you used when you initially filled out the form. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your Google Drive. Once you're in, look for the apps icon, which should be located in the upper right hand corner of your Google Drive interface. Clicking this will bring up a list of Google apps available to you, and from here you'll want to navigate to Google Forms. Now once you've opened Google Forms, you'll find yourself looking at a list of forms you've previously interacted with, including those you filled out. Browse through this list to locate the specific form you're interested in. It's a good idea to double check the title to ensure it's the correct one, especially if you've completed multiple forms on a similar subject. Next, when you've identified and selected the form, you'll be taken to the main form view. What you want to do here is to look for the tab marked as Responses. Typically this will be located at the top of the page. It's easy to spot, so no need to worry. Click on the Responses tab and you'll immediately see a summary of all responses that have been submitted for this particular form. For some forms you'll also be able to view individual responses, including your own, which can help you verify the details of your submission. Remember, the ability to see responses depends on the settings the form creator has chosen. Some forms may not allow you to view individual responses, or they may need the creator's permission to do so. If you find yourself unable to view your submission, consider reaching out to the form owner for assistance in accessing your responses. And there you have it, a straightforward way to check Google Forms you've submitted. This process is incredibly useful for keeping track of your information, especially when dealing with important submissions. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore other features available in Google Forms, as they offer a wealth of tools designed to make managing your data even more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.